guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to delete your birthday of your Twitter profile of Twitter. And the first step is go to the application of X of Twitter, and after that you need to go to the superior left corner in the option of your bubble of your profile. You pick here. And after that, you need to pick in the superior part for go to your profile. And you saw here, you got the information of born November 18 of 2022. And so the next step is go to this option of edit profile, and here. The only thing you need to do is pick here in birthday and birth date, and you pick in the red button, the last red button where it said remove birthday date. So this is the process. You pick here and you pick in continue, and that's it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.